here we go. So this is the box. You can see here, so quite a nice looking box, to be honest. And let's get inside it. So there you go. What I've noticed is quite a typical thing. You've got a sort of welcome card here. Quite a thick manual. I'm assuming that's because of a lot of different languages. So far the general build quality feels quite nice. And here we have let's see what else we've got in here. Try and get this out. So in here we have, I believe this is the actual camera, the main part. Side. Take off this outer bubble wrap, and this is the camera here. Small screen there, some controls, and the camera. You've got a lens cover there, and angle adjustable camera. Right, so next we've got a cardboard cover there. So we've got some sort of mounting here with a release pin and what looks like a number of self-adhesive pads. A mini USB cable. The cigarette lighter power cable, and it's actually got a extra USB socket thing in there. It's quite a nice feature, nice to have. And the rear camera. So this one isn't a reversing camera, it's a standard rear camera. Can't see any IR emitters in there, and looking at, let's see what we can see. Let's get this out of the bag. So, oh, that's nice. So we have a angle adjustable camera, which is a nice thing as well. You know, some of the ones I've seen don't have that. The camera just is fixed, so it's a bit of a mystery that helps some of them. Anyway, there you go. So it's the side. You've got the micro SD card insertion. You've got a reset hole. You've got the mini USB sockets, AV, and a GPS socket. So that's for the external GPS, which is antenna, which is an additional item. It's relatively cheap, but it's additional. You've got the controls here, the screen on there, it's not a terribly big screen, and obviously the camera and lens, and then you've got the angle adjustment control here for adjusting the angle of the camera.